Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll take a journey through time and uncover the milestones that have shaped the way we communicate in this vast nation. Let's begin. Our story starts in the 19th century when India witnessed the dawn of a new era in communication. In 1851, the first telegraph line was established, connecting the city of Calcutta to Diamond Harbour. This groundbreaking achievement paved the way for rapid transmission of messages across the country. However, as technology advanced, telegraph services gradually diminished and by 2013, they had largely ceased to operate. But the journey of telecommunication in India didn't stop there. In 1882, the first telephone arrived in India, making its debut in the bustling city of Calcutta. This revolutionary device opened up a world of possibilities, connecting people like never before. And in 1913, Shimla became home to the first telephone exchange, further expanding the reach of this transformative communication technology. Fast forward to 1960, when India witnessed another milestone, the introduction of the subscriber trunk dialing (STD) system. This system enabled direct long-distance dialing for telephone users, bringing convenience and efficiency to communication across the country. Then, in 1995, a new era began with the arrival of mobile phones in India. The first mobile phone call was made by Jyotis Basu in Calcutta, marking a significant leap in the way we connect and communicate. The Internet, a gateway to boundless knowledge and connectivity, made its grand entry into India on August 15, 1995, in the cities of Delhi and Mumbai. From that day forward, the Internet revolutionized the way we access information, connect with others, and explore new horizons. As technology advanced, India made its mark in the world of supercomputing. In 1991, the first supercomputer, named Param, was established at the Center for Development of Advanced Computing, CDAC, in Pune, under the leadership of Vijay Bhapkar. This achievement showcased India's prowess in high-performance computing. Alongside these incredible advancements, institutions were established to drive progress and regulate the telecom sector. In 1984, the Center for Development of Telematics, CDOT, came into existence, focusing on optical, satellite, and wireless communication technologies. The Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI, established to ensure fair practices and consumer protection, plays a vital role in regulating telecom services and tariffs. Overseas mobile, direct-to-home, DTH, and Internet services, ensuring a level playing field for all. In 2016, a significant milestone was reached with the introduction of net neutrality in India. This principle ensured that all Internet users would be charged based on usage, rather than discriminating against specific types of apps or online services. Now, let's shift our focus to the remarkable journey of the Indian Postal Department, which has played a crucial role in connecting people across the country for over a century. The modern postal system in India emerged in 1837, streamlining mail delivery and providing reliable means of communication. In 1854, the Postal Department was officially established, solidifying its presence in the nation. The year 1854 also marked another significant event, the introduction of the first postage stamp in India. These little pieces of adhesive paper made sending letters and packages more accessible and efficient. In 1880, the money order system was introduced, enabling secure and convenient money transfers through the postal service. However, after a long run, the money order system was discontinued in 2015. Recognizing the importance of savings, the Post Office Savings Bank was established in 1882. This initiative empowered individuals to save their hard-earned money, fostering a culture of financial stability. In 1972, the Postal Index Number (PIN) system was introduced, a 6-digit code that streamlined mail sorting and delivery, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. Then, in 1986, the Speed Post services were introduced, providing a faster and more reliable option for delivering letters and packages across the country. The first post department in India was established way back in 1764 in the vibrant city of Mumbai, formerly known as Bombay. This marked the beginning of a long and storied history of postal services in the nation. In 1948, a tribute to the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, was made when his photo graced Indian postage stamps. This gesture honored his immense contribution to the country's independence and his vision for a better future. Lastly, in 1936, India embraced the power of radio with the establishment of All India Radio, AIR. This national public radio broadcaster connected people across the nation, providing news, entertainment, and educational programs. And let's not forget the TRPs, or television rating points, a metric used to measure the popularity and viewership of television programs in India. These ratings play a vital role in shaping the television industry. And there you have it, a glimpse into the captivating history of telecommunication and postal services in India. From the early telegraph lines to the era of smartphones and high-speed internet, communication has come a long way, bridging distances and connecting millions. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey.